The Metro Manila Development Authority will investigate its personnel who escorted Senator Francis Tolentino using motorcycles with police insignia to determine whether they should also be administratively charged. According to the Highway Patrol Group, MMDA employees Teofilo Labsan Padilla and Jonathan Alames Pacle were arrested for illegally using the insignia of the Philippine National Police and the Master Rider's Badge as printed on stickers attached to their motorcycle's windscreen and saddle box. However, MMDA Acting Chief Don Artes notes that the agency's initial investigation showed that the motorcycles the personnel were using were already old and had been used by different MMDA officials. He points out that the insignias could have been installed by a different person.
Hinihintay ko po yung formal na report ng HPG para maka-action po kami, maimbestigahan kung may dapat pananagutan yung aming tauhan. Kasi may mga opisyalis kami dito sa MMDA na come and go na yung iba galing sa PNP. So baka along the way nadikitan po ito ng sticker ng pulis, kaya po nalagyan ng ganoon. Pero hindi na po namin ma-determine kung kailan exactly nalagay yung sticker na yan.
Following the incident, Artes says all MMDA motorcycles underwent inventory to remove any similar insignias. Meanwhile, Artes also raises concern about how the two MMDA staff were treated following their arrest in Parañaque City on Wednesday, May 29.
Ang aking lamang pong reservation siguro, nandito si Kong Busita na dati rin naman police, the way yung pag-treat doon sa tao namin. Dinitain sila sa mahabang oras, hinayaang ma-interview ng mga media sa harap nila, which can be considered as an interrogation, na wala pong abogado yung aming pong tauhan.
According to Artes, MMDA's initial investigation of the incident showed their two personnel immediately introduced themselves as MMDA employees and did not misrepresent themselves as police officers upon arrest. He also notes that Padilla and Pacle were authorized to escort Tolentino following the request of the senator, who had an appointment with Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin that day.